Good afternoon and welcome to Nature's Paradise at Summershell Natural Farms Ramnagar, the pride of Purnia and Bihar. परिवर्तन का प्रतीक और पर्यावरण संतुलन का पर्याय बन चुका समरशेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर से मैं आपका मित्र हिमकर मिश्रा अपनी आज की इस प्रस्तुति के साथ उपस्थित हूँ और मुझे आशा है कि आप हमेशा की तरह आज की प्रस्तुति को भी काफ़ी पसंद करेंगे और आपका ये जो परस्पर स्नेह है वो हमारा हौसला बढ़ाने में सबसे सहायक और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कड़ी है। आज हम अपने धारी वाली ज़मीन के पास हैं जहाँ पे जो हमारा आप देखेंगे पीछे खस या वेटिवर जो है उसका नर्सरी है एक तरह से। तो ये और एक जंगल पूर्ण रूप से हमारा एक विकसित हो चुका है। द फूड फॉरेस्ट हैज़ टेकन शेप हियर एंड नाउ वी आर एट आवर just on the eve of our pink pepper season. They have begun to flower, and by the end of the month, I think or first week November, we shall be in a position to begin the harvest. And you can see these all these spots. These are the nilgais which come from 5-6 kilometers from the the state habitat where they release the wild animals and the reptiles and everything. So they stay here and it's a natural habitat, so you just can't do anything about it. But luckily they haven't harmed much of the crops because of the pathway that we have made. So they also use the pathways. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे, ये हमारा थान बाड़ी है और ये भी चारों तरफ हमारा पिंक पेपर का और लेमन्स का, हल्दी का, अमरूद का, केले का ये मिक्स है यहाँ। एंड अब हम लोग यहाँ से वॉक करेंगे धोबियाडी की तरफ, जो एक इसकी भी एक दिलचस्प कहानी है जो मैंने पहले आप लोगों से शेयर की थी। यहाँ एक धोबी लोगों का एक समुदाय का एक ये बस्ती था यहाँ 100 साल पहले, और एक जो हैजा हुआ था आउटब्रेक ऑफ कॉलरा के कारण उन लोग यहाँ से विस्थापित हो गए और पलायन कर गए बगल के गांव में, पर नाम इसका रह गया वहाँ से। और अब यहाँ पे उस धोबी समुदाय के कोई भी लोग यहाँ नहीं रहते हैं। तो नाउ वी आर पासिंग बाय द आर बांसबाड़ी, वी आर जस्ट बिहाइंड द बांसबाड़ी और द बैम्बू। ये और ये तो कदम है ना
जी,
वो भी कदम है
जी।
सो कदम इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रूट, वेरी अंडररेटेड एंड बट मेडिसिनल पावर हाउस। और आप देखेंगे यहाँ कि बहुत ही सुंदर पाथवे हमारा बना हुआ है यहाँ। और हम लोग जा रहे हैं धोबियाडी की तरफ, मेन धोबियाडी जो है फेसिंग दी एडजॉइनिंग दी रोड, एडजेसेंट टू दी रोड। एंड वहाँ पे दी गर्ल्स एंड वुमेन आर cutting the grass, the vetiver grass, and also the weeds and the the wild creeps which have come on, which impediment the growth of plants. But we are careful in this sense that we don't disturb the ecosystem or the soil system here. The top soil is left untouched, and we are now going towards these trees में इसमें कम फल आए क्या
जी,
माने फूल
जी,
इसमें सामान्यतः भी कम आते हैं ना
जी।
ये नए वाले हैं।
हाँ, ये नया वाला।
Okay. So now we are going to be very busy with the pink pepper season, so it's very important that we do this clearing part as soon as possible, because then we'll be hard pressed with our pink pepper harvest, which again will go on for 2 months. And so now ये सब को भी तुम यूज़ कर सकते हो
जी,
कम है लेकिन यूज़ कर लो।
हाँ, ये सब यूज में
है ना, इधर का जो लगाओगे यहाँ पिंक पेपर का। So now we are going back, and these stumps, these are the stumps which have gone. This will not survive. They have not survived, but these ones are there. ये भी नहीं बचा ना
जी।
एक और कौन सा था जो बच गया था
यहाँ से?
ओके So, so you can see, ये नीचे से they have sprung forth. The leaves have sprung forth. So this has survived. This will grow, and so is this one. So we have two here, which will nourish the plants which are next to them. And now, as you can see here, once the the weeds have been cleared, pruned, and the grass has been cut, and the creeps have been removed here, and what you can see is the desi tuar. These are desi tuars here, flanked by haldi all around. These are the a mix of old haldi and the new one planted last season. And so once the ये सब भी तोड़ी का है क्या?
No.
So once these have decayed in the next 2-3 days, we had small very 10-minute अरे कुछ यहाँ पे ये तो नहीं है the sunshine. So leech is the biggest deterrent here, because you never know when they cling on to you, and then they start sucking, drawing blood, and only when they have done that significant damage, then you realize the itching part. And then, but these are part and parcel of the farming enterprise that we do here. So the यहाँ तक हम लोगों का pruning अभी हो गया है इन लोगों का, and we shall, it will be the next 4-5 days I think we are here. So by tomorrow we should be able to finish one stretch. Then we return to this stretch, and we are walking towards the other end of the the northern end of the farm. So where we are doing all these intervention in terms of clearing the weeds and the and in a couple of months the extraction or the harvest of the turmeric season would begin. And as I told you earlier also, we harvest the whole year. We don't we leave the haldi to mature more, but when we receive the orders, then we extract the fresh ones, dry them, and then send them to our esteemed customers who source their turmeric. Our turmeric has a very high curcumin content. Even the normal ones here, all these, I can vouch for this, all this turmeric would not have a curcumin content of less than 5, only for the reason that it's a natural food forest. It's a biodiversity driven farm. There's a lot of biomass here. There's a lot of mulch activity that we do here. All these things, they ensure that the plants and the crops here are very they are in abundance, and also they are high in nutritional content. And from here we are again going towards the other side, the eastern side of the Dhobiadi, where you shall see the clearing part in the next couple of days when they come this side. And this is again a mix of lemons and guavas and the pink pepper and the haldi and the vetiver and the lychees here. So we have these local varieties of lychee, not the shahi ones here, but we draw a very good honey out of it, and they have a very distinct flavor. And so we'll walk to the Simarbari side now and see what has happened here. And all these are what Shobod's camera is focusing on, the 6 feet, 7 feet long or high vetiver grass. And so now we are entering our तुम इधर से क्यों नहीं करवाए हो?
कौन सी?
कदम इसमें नहीं है क्या?
नहीं मैंने कदम में अभी हरे से खाने। अच्छा, लेट से ऐसा मैं
अच्छा इधर लेट में आया इसको जी। और अगेन दी कदम फ्रूट्स आर अ रेवलेशन इन देमसेल्व्स. It ensures a good immune system for all those who take. Their leaves have good anti-allergic properties. Their leaf paste is used on. I use them very frequently because of the leeches or the bruises that I have. And now we are moving towards the Tori Bari, where the weeds were cleared from they were the first areas that to be cleared. And what we had done was we had sown a lot of the desi tori or desi mustard, which were means a direct broadcast. The traditional method hai yahan ka. So, and it's a very fascinating work too. And as you can see everywhere, there's so much of biomass, there's so much of leaves which convert themselves into a natural source of mulch, fortifying the soil. And इसमें तुम लोग तोरी भी खेते हैं?
जी बोला
हाँ,
तोरी वाला खेत में
इसमें नहीं किया हुआ.
ना.
So let's see. Subodh is taking us to the Tori Bari, where, as the name suggests, it was earlier. This used to be a desi mustard growing area. Of late, then it was discontinued for some time, and then in the last 2-3 years, I have reintroduced this for the. You can see all these. They have germinated well here. That's the beauty of a natural farm. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to prepare the soil bed and plow it, and then you just broadcast, and they are full of it. Now you can see these are all desi mustard that's growing here, and so now उसके बाद क्या होगा कि we'll come here for the harvest of the pink pepper. We still have plenty of lemons here, and this year we have sent around 30,000 kgs of lemons from here. And so this is it. So what यहाँ का तुम्हारा सर्जन हुआ है?
ये भी तो नहीं
किसी नहीं आया है?
नहीं
क्यों हो जाए?
हाँ इन लास्ट में लगेले छे ना.
जनता भी खरीद रहे लोग ना. So now again we are coming out of the Dhobiadi now, and this pathway meets at the main road, and it's again quite late in the afternoon. We still have half an hour, 45 minutes of work that they would do, and so you can see what the food forest of Somershell Natural Farm has done in the last 5 years, and we've been able to convert this, though of course our inspiration in chief Mr. Patanjali is still not very satisfied with what we do, or the shortcomings, or the things that he wanted in terms of when we did it. He doesn't want that we expose the soil to the sun or something, but nonetheless we are happy that at least we are in the right direction, doing the right type of right work and getting the right results of what. And it's in 5 years this beautiful food forest has evoked a lot of curiosity, not only in India but also abroad. Countries like Nigeria, Kenya, Ethiopia, Zambia in Africa. Then we have from Brazil, we have people from Chile, people from Peru. The farming community are in touch with us. Then in Europe, I have a very regular contributor and who appreciates Ivan Klinsman from Poland, who appreciates our farm and calls it the one of the best natural food forests or natural farms in the world. So this gives you, and also Mr. Dick Grimshaw, who was the former Asia head agriculture of the World Bank, who also is very happy with the stress that we give to वेटिवर. हमारे वेटिवर के प्रति हमारी जो प्रतिबद्धता है उसे वर्ल्ड बैंक के पूर्व कृषि प्रमुख एशिया के जो थे वो काफ़ी उसके ये थे. सो हम लोग इसको यहाँ फिनिश करते हैं. आई थिंक वी हैव टेकन अ डिटोर. या 1 मिनट चलो ना, जहाँ पे वो लोग कर रही है वहाँ तक हम लोग चलते हैं. तो जहाँ से शुरू हुआ था वहाँ से. सो वी हैव कम टू दी प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर दी women here are pruning and removing the creeps and the wild grass, the vetiver grass and the weeds, everything here. So it's been a good walkthrough. I think I'm sure you have enjoyed as much as I have enjoyed showcasing it to you. So before I end, let me tell you what I tell you every time. Keep appreciating, keep criticizing, keep suggesting, but don't forget to watch the video updates from Summer Shell Natural Farm, Ramnagar, the pride of Purnia and Bihar. Believe me, this farm is a beyond organic initiative. It goes much beyond being organic. हमारे हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए हमेशा की तरह प्रशंसा कीजिए, आलोचना कीजिए, सुझाव दीजिए, पर देखना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर आज पूर्णिया एवं बिहार का गौरव तो है, पर आने वाले दिनों में ये पूरे देश का गौरव होगा. और संभवतः वो दिन भी दूर नहीं कि आपके स्नेह, आपके विश्वास और आपके समर्थन से हमारा ये प्राकृतिक फार्म पूरे विश्व के मानचित्र पर सफलतापूर्वक अपनी पहचान बनाएगा. इसके साथ ही मैं आपका मित्र हिमकर मिश्रा आपसे विदा लेता हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग अ वेरी पार्टिसिपेटिव ऑडियंस and we shall meet you the new update tomorrow. Thank you very much, and before I end, wish you all a very very happy नवरात्रि. हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए भी विराम से पहले आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से और हमारे फार्म में जितने भी हमारे सहयोगी हैं यहाँ, सुबोध, अनिरुद्ध, जितने लड़के हैं, हमारी जो लड़कियाँ हैं यहाँ, जो महिलाएं हैं, इन सब की तरफ से आप सबों को ढेर सारी नवरात्रि की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.